I think we're live here. Good morning, everybody on YouTube, Facebook, X, Twitch. I think we just went live. Can never tell with this thing. I am trading through Market Open this morning. I've already been on live once this morning. Probably not going to be live again later today. But tomorrow I'll be live again. Oops, sorry. Tomorrow I'll be live again in the morning at least. Happy last day of March. And I think we're there. Let's see. And let me go over to here. Oh, a lot of emails. Let's see, peeps. Good morning for the second time. Good morning, Lachey, you're number one. Good morning, John Parker and Grant and Kirk. I know you guys are here this morning. Good morning to y'all. Good morning, Cindy and David and Yolanda. Morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. I only have one trade open. It happens to be gold, and it happens to be up $465 an ounce. Should have bet the house on that one. If there's any news this morning, I'm not going to trade it, but please let me know. I don't give two fucks if there's news. I'm going to trade the open with you, though, and hopefully make some good money before then. What's up, Persistent? Thank you for your prayers in the Discord, sir. And yes, I'm feeling much, much better. Stupid cough, though. Just think when I like the second day or the third day, I thought I smashed it into the ground. And then, of course, it comes back and blah, 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 whatever. But it's fine. It's all good. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Rise and shine, everybody. We had a great, it was a good morning session. It's kind of boring, but it was very good. We made some good calls. I think even gold made money right away. It was real nice. Yeah, look at gold. Easiest money on earth. You guys should really, I would learn to trade gold. It's the beginner's one. Kim Harrington gets all the credit. So easy. Only play the buys. I don't know what else to tell you. Can't go wrong. Thank you, Lachey. Thank you, John, for no news. Yes, Lachey, thank you. I am feeling better. Justin said, good morning. Going to be another red day for NAS. Not how we trade, but I've already called NAS. I'll do it again for you. And one of the clowns in the Discord, well, only person that really is annoying me at this point, I should say that. A lot of you members are so patient. God, I'm ready to throw the guy out of the Discord. He's asking so many basic questions. He drives me nuts. Oh, so when will we know when the market turns and goes to red and goes down? What the fuck? Have you not read one rule in your life? How do you fucking know? Because the 1 second will flip, the 3 minute will flip, the 5 minute will flip, the 30 minute will flip, the 1 hour will flip, the 4 hour will turn to red. That's how you fucking know. What an amateur. I'm so annoyed at him. Read the fucking rules. You'll know when the market turns red. It is the most moronic thing I've ever heard in my life. People are just so weird. Gee, I wonder if the If it's going to turn, how do we know? Because it's a fucking sell stop. Red, 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 green, red, red to the blue line on the 9 hour. I forgot who called that, Harry or somebody. You're going to force me to put in the 10 hour? Motherfuck. I've added more new time frames this morning. I want to add. Where's my thing? There we go. Let me add the 10 hour. People they're just too lazy to take responsibility. They're too lazy to put any work or effort in. Drives me nuts. All right, let's take a look at the 10 hour. Are you kidding me? I did all that and it's still a 10 hour hit. Are you kidding? Oh my God. Fine. Sell stop NAS to the 11/12 hour blue lines. Take profit one NAS. This has already been called out this morning, but I know a lot of you are sleeping. 18,640, 18,487, 18,179, and 18,000. Now, a lot of you are panicking, saying, what's going on? Da, 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 da. All this is a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. It's perfect. So it can go up through the moon. But you guys keep panicking. This is not a pullback. In order for this to be a pullback, you need to see NAS go to a minimum of 17,600. And I've been calling this out for over a year. Preferably needs to come down to 12,000, 12,200. That's the pullback. Until it does that, we're not bleeding anything. All it's doing for the millionth time is creating a 3-week buy stop. A weekly 3-week buy stop. Take profit one. 19,344. Take profit two. 19,500. 19,700. 20,000. 20,500. This is the perfect take profit. 21,251. Love that take profit. 22,222.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Now, I will get into more 1 second, 5 second trades here in a little bit, just not right now. That is NAS for you. What's up, Larry? God bless you too. What's up, Michelle? Thank you, Michelle. Appreciate you. Okay. So yes, NAS is going to go. Well, has anyone here enough of you? Have any of you saw an overnight reversal Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday? So as it was going down, did it go back up and go 1 second green, 5 second green, 10 second green, 15 second green, 30 second green on all three indices? The Uno overnight reversal trade, has anyone paid attention to it? Did it do it the last 2 or 3 days? Yes or no? It did do it. Is that right, Larry? God bless Father. Yes. Morning, Harry. Yeah, so don't get panicked when you see NAS and SPX and everything. It's the craziest thing. This is creating nothing but a higher time frame buy stop. That's all it's doing. Oh, there we go. 1 second, 5 second. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah. Here we go. Let's take a look. Oh, it already hit it. Buy stop to the 10-second blue lines right there. NAS, hold on. Buy stop to the 10-second US 30 blue line. Now you have to understand how to play these. SPX 10-second buy stop to the blue line. Perfect. So we're going to see these flip over to green. But watch. Price action is going to go from here to there I'm telling you exactly where it's going to. Now listen. Let me see NQ. Excuse me. 1 second, 5 seconds. Let's plus this back on again. Hold on. I like this little feature. Watch. I want to see something. Huh. Maybe I didn't do something right. It is on. But it doesn't look like it's on. Huh. Okay, it is. I hate they use the same color like that. There it's showing. Okay. Yeah, because it's all one. You can't do anything about that. Okay. So what you're looking at is the NQ1 E-minis. That's what I'm making the funny trader to work for. This is the pink line. That is NQ1s, the E-minis. This is the actual SPX. Okay. If you go over to NAS, maybe. There we go. See, they're exact same thing too. Okay, just double checking that. All right. Now, yes, if I remember, it's the one. Thank you, Larry. Just forming the cells. Yep. So that's what I was going to tell you all. Now that we're in this kind of market, if you want to take the cells, feel free. 10-second flip. 10. I told you. Ding, ding, ding. NAS hit its 10-second blue line. US 30 hit its 10-second blue line. Yep, there it goes. And a ricochet there too, by the way. SPX is ricocheting right now and did it. So it did it once. It's about to go up and do it again. You're going to see pink, cross purple. This little space right here will fill in. You'll see price action go up and above. And you'll see this turn back to green. And that is SPX. We'll sit here and watch. Good morning, Arginus Luna. Good morning, John Parker. Good morning, Londa and Rich OBX and James Blacketer. What's up, Raider Trader? Yay. What's up, Aurora? What's up, Super Z? Raider Trader and Arginus and Larry and John. Good to see y'all. Good morning, James. Good morning, Little Joe. Good morning, Flacco. Oh, I think a lot of you missed me. Sorry, this wasn't a vacation. Me and Bree were happy as pigs and muds in St. Thomas. I want to go the fuck back. I don't want to leave. No, I got the flu from my youngest child. Woo! Threw me for a loop. Morning, Little Joe. Let me just see something really quick. We'll come right back to that. Sometimes stuff's like watching paint dry and I have to flip around. Oh, same thing. All right, this is our buy stop. Green, 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 red. Pink's going to come up. Blue's going to come down. They're going to cross. Price action's going to go back to this blue. See the sniper rifle calling it? Safety trade buy stop to the blue line. Just give is a beautiful one though. Yeah. And then SPX will do it too. Does anybody have anything they want me to check? Any symbol you want me to go over? Told you. We had a winner chicken dinner. You would have entered off of this orange line, got out at the blue line, told you exactly what was going to happen. Well, the blue didn't dip enough, but that's still the same. This turned to green. Price went above the blue, and there it goes up. Did everyone see me trade that or tell you what to do live? Demo trade only. Sevens, if you understood that I just showed you what was going to happen. It's no ifs, it predicts the future. It did exactly as I told you it would do. Sevens, if you understand that. Leave if you don't. I literally told you what was going to happen, told you where it was going to go, and it did it, to be clear. I'm not playing around. There's some Yahoo that's in our Discord is about to be kicked out. If the system supposedly predicts this, don't fucking ever say anything negative about my system or I'll fucking kick you out of my system so fucking fast you won't even know what happened. And that's not me being in a pissy mood. That's my mood anytime someone comes at the system. You fucking die. Never say one thing bad about the system, ever. Crazy ass. Can't trade a day in his fucking life and he tries to say something negative. Get the fuck out. This is drawn out. Told you it was going to do. Told you it was going to happen. Told you it was going there. Told you it was going there. And it's going to go past there to be exact. And there you go. And it's doing it. Let's go and take a look at SPX. The first one I said was going to do it. And there it is. The exact, I told you the pink was going to rise up. I told you this gap was going to be filled. I told you it was going to the blue line. SPX, NAS, SPX and NAS to the 15-second blue lines. Now look at this shit. Oh my gosh. Told you. Now these are setting up sell stops right now. This is a 15-second. Let's go over to the 15-second. Nope, it's going to flip right now. You're going to see it flip right here. This will turn to green. The only system in the world that gives you a bullseye, tells you where it's going before it gets there. How to enter trade, you all know that. Look at it. It just did the 15-second. Now let's go ahead and look at the 30 seconds and see. Buy stop. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second buy stop to the 30-second blue line. NAS. Hey, Julio Meja. If you change your fucking attitude, you might get more people to join. You know what the difference is, Julio? I have tons of people who join, and they're all loyal and faithful. And me and Bree I don't have to do this. I'm here to help your dumb fucking ass. So guess what, Julio? You earned yourself a little ignorant blockage. See ya, bro. I don't need you here. Don't want you here. And you're going to be taken out. See ya. Wouldn't want to be you. You just blew your best chance of ever learning how to trade. Wow. Some people. You might have more people. You know how many people I have in my system? You silly, 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 silly person. Where is this clown at? Hold on. Where is he writing from? Oh, Facebook. There you go. There you go. See ya, bro. People are insane. You dare come in here talking like that. Good luck, bro. Good luck on using RSI to trade. Clown world we live in. I'm teaching him how to trade, showing him where to go to. And if I had I'm sick, motherfucker. And I'm like this without being sick. So get with it or get lost. I don't care. He thinks we need more people in our group. You're right. You're lucky I'm allowing you to listen to this. Yeah, they do, Richard. Clown world we live in. If you change your fucking attitude, you might more get people to join. Well, you're wrong on both accounts. I'm not changing my fucking attitude, and I can give a shit less if anyone new joins. I love the core group of people we have, several 500 people. Love them all. You're not one of them ever, Julio. Now, if you write me a worded apologetic email, we can talk. But until then, see you and good luck trading fun, whatever loser thing you think you're going to trade with. People are nuts in this world. Nutty fruitcakes. Good morning, Little Joe. Good morning, Super Z. Yeah, I'm here out of the sickness, kindness of my heart, showing you what's happening before it happens, teaching you how to do it. Whatever. Yeah, but I have the bad attitude. I can't say what I want. You know what? I can say what I want to say. I could just block TikTok for a minute. Yeah, he is a little fucking douche. I'm blocking TikTok right now so they can't block me. I mean, what kind of ungrateful ass is he? He has no idea what he's speaking about. I don't give two fucks. Again, you guys misunderstand why I'm here. I'm here helping you all to be consistently profitable. That's it. Oh, but you're getting new people to sure. Do I need them? I'm looking over at 3 placards from the Stan store, like Shopify, where me and Bree have three of the most successful stores on Stan. 3 of them. Me and Bree are doing just fine with the core group of people we have. We love each and every one of them. We take care of them. We respond to them. But man, I'm not dealing with clowns like that fucktard. Get the fuck out of here. See you, douche. All right, we're back to regular scheduled programming. Bye, Julio. All right. I found out that I love Starbucks. Oh my goodness. It's a cold tea. It's the passion fruit. Put 2 stevia in it, and I don't know what their sizing is, but a large one. That shit tastes so good. It was so soothing on my throat. Oh, can't wait to get one today. Oh. All right. Now, I know, Thomas, unfortunately, coaches will always be negative people in the world. I wish you would just stick around, keep your mouth shut, see if I know what I'm talking about or not, and make your decision from there. I make these call outs every morning so you guys can save up your money and then purchase the system. This pink line's going to come down. Price is going to come down. Well, I think going to come down a little further. And then we're going to see it hook. It's going to come back up. It's going to go here. Take profit. Well, for now, take profit 1. 5,526 for SPX. Take profit 2, 5,527. Take profit 3, 5,528. That's where it's going. You'll see this pink line hook over and come up. The sniper, the single most important and accurate indicator in the history of the world. And to be quite frank about it, I'm going to implement a policy on the sniper, actually. It's cool if you get it. And if you give a reason why you cancel it, that's fine. Yeah, I told you. There it comes down. But I am not going to allow anyone to re-enter the sniper. Let me make a note on that. You'll be on a 1-year ban list from getting the sniper again. I'm not playing around. It's too important. If you don't appreciate it when you have it, fuck off. Sniper. Send sniper warning. If no reason why. Banned from from getting it. One year. You really don't want that ban. I'll explain what's coming soon. Okay, buy stop. Beautiful one. Doing exactly as told. Oh, nice little pink hook down right here. Fill in the gap right here. You'll see this come down a little lower. You'll see the green go up. Fill the space into the yellow. You'll see price action go above this orange line. You're going to see price action go above this, above this orange line, then again above here, and then the middle, and then the middle of the middle, and then you'll see it go right here to the blue line. This has to come down a little bit further. You'll see the pink cross the purple. Here, you want me to draw it out for you guys? This is what's going to happen. You're going to see this right here. Okay. You're going to see this right here. Okay. You're going to see this right here. You're going to see this right here. You're going to see price action. Well, it's probably going to come down a little first. Then it's going to come up. And that's what it's going to do. But right, I don't know how to trade. My system doesn't work. Name another fucking trader that just called out a 10-second trade live on SPX that came true. A NAS 10-second trade that came true. A 15-second trade for NAS and a 15-second trade that came true for SPX. Go ahead. There's no one out there doing what I'm doing. Live in your little worlds of denial or whatever shell you guys live in. Correct, Jason McCain. What's up, Jason? Haven't seen you in a minute. Good morning. What time frame? 30-second. Good morning, Brian, again. Doomsday. Love it, but I'm not sure Robert Downey Jr. is the best choice for it. Too iconic for thing. And yes, I know it's an alternate universe and all that bullshit, but and Doom is getting the proper treatment because I love him. Matter of fact, he's the best villain they have. I hate to say villain. You guys do know Take Profit 1 and 2 have been hit. Take Profit 1 and 2 have been hit. Because you do know that he took over and actually defeated the Beyonder, like a god from another, dimension, another world, another universe. Anywho, so he beat the Beyonder. Doom was getting killed. The Beyonder was slicing him in half, pulled him in close to him. And he said, what type of creature? This is a guy who's all omnipotent. And he goes, I want to see what makes this kind of creature. There you go. Take Profit 1, 2, and 3 hit. It's doing exactly as I told you it would do. And then the Beyonder goes, what is he, what is he doing? What's keeping him alive? And he goes, what kind of creature is this? And then Doom, as he's sliced in half, Dr. Doom goes, I am no creature. And he raises his finger up, he has a button on his chest to suck in like all this power, all the God power. And he goes, I am Victor Von Doom. When he presses the button, I swear to God, when I'm thinking about it right now, I got goosebumps. I hope they do that storyline one day. Because Doom defeated were all the Earth's superheroes, Thor and Incredible Hulk, everyone died, Spider-Man. Now, anyone here like to try and deny that it's doing exactly what I drew and said? Anyone here would like to deny that it did exactly what I fucking said? Take Profit 1 was hit, 2 was hit, 3 was hit. Go ahead. Pink crossed the purple. It touched the yellow line. It's going to take its time to go up there because it's a 30-second. But it did sevens and thank gods and yeses because I don't have to stay here. I'm already in a pissy mood because I'm not feeling well. But I just fucking taught you how to read this chart like a fucking back of your hand. Let's hear some thank God. Let's hear some sevens. Let's hear some yeses. Now tell me, haters, who out there is doubting the system? If it predicts the future, it motherfucking predicts the future 100% fucking accurately. There it is. There it is. What's up, Tarson Black? Come on. Give me a fucking break. Look at this shit. What's up, little Joe? What's up, Yolanda? No other system is sitting here talking to you about Marvel movies while it's doing exactly what I told you it was going to do. It's going to hook down. The price is going to come back down. The pink's going to come back down, and it's going to hook and come back up again. There's no other system like this. You can't, I didn't pull away from the charts, even though it bores me to sleep. That's why I was telling you the story. Exactly. I told you it was going to fill in the space right here. You see it. Green came up and touched the yellow. Do you see how it went above the orange? Then it went above this orange. Then it went above the middle. I told you. There's the pink crossing the purple. I drew out the pink crossing the purple. What the fuck more? Buy the system. Learn how to trade. Buy the system. Go over to safetytrade.com and buy it and learn how to trade. And then there's Clown Boy. What was his name? What was the clown that was on here? My fucking attitude. More people would buy up your fucking attitude. What was that clown's name? Where's he at now? Oh, staying a losing trader. That's what he's doing. He's staying that way. Look at this shit. Give me a thank you, Super Z. Thank you, little Joe. Good morning, E double. It's going to finish. I told you the pink's going to come back down. It's going to hook, come back around. Price is going to come down, hook, just like it did here. Hook, come back around. This time it's going to go up and probably touch the blue line at this push. And there you go. You're welcome. Oh, thank you, Richard. RDJ777. That's funny. Thank you, Richard. Yeah, Julio. See, Julio, you didn't hurt me. You hurt yourself. I'm trying to help you. Like, who else is trading this? Name another live trader that I traded with you the 10-second, the 15-second, and I haven't pulled away on the 30-second, and it's doing exactly what I told you it was going to do. You're welcome, Richard. No, thank you anyways. Come on. There is no other trader doing what I'm doing. I'm done baby pussyfooting around all these people. I'm done. I give God all the credit. God gets all the glory. Now, keep in mind, this is really just setting up a sell stop, a medium-term sell stop that'll kick in probably around, between 9:20 and 10:20 today. You'll see the sell kick in. But until then, enjoy the buys up. I would only play the buys anyways because this is still a long-term buy for SPX, NAS, and US 30. But you guys get anxious and you want to do these sells in between, so that's fine. Go other. Tag another. I've been pushing this out there for over 3 years. If someone would like to come on and trade, I don't want to say trade against me, and trade the 10-second, trade the 1 second through 30-second charts with me without using my system, then feel free. Tag them. They can come on. They can make messages. Why is it that not one hater's ever traded against me? Why? They can't trade against me on the higher time frames. My signal service will destroy them by themselves. My signal service is 100% accurate. 100% accurate. So the signal service will destroy them on the higher time frames. It's not even an issue, and probably the lower ones too. Ooh. 310. Okay. Let's check. Well, we'll wait here until this hits. Okay. See, now the pink is coming down sloppily, but it's coming down. It's going to hook, and it's going to come back up. And then you'll see that like that right there. Anybody else know any other trader out there trading for 3 years live? I remember when I first saw that my system worked at the 5-second, 10-second level, I was just, like, stunned and amazed. I was like, "This can't be happening." Oh, yeah, it happens. Works on the 6-month, works on a 12-month, works on a 1-second, 5-second, doesn't matter. So for you scalpers out there, you funded traders, I would stick with this funded traders. I would do nothing over a 3-minute trade, and that's only my catch. I'd be looking at these, probably 10-second, 15-second, 30-second trades. We're only gonna be trading NQ1s when I'm done with my funded trader version. Oh, I need to reset my All right. Any sound back? Sorry about that. I don't know why the microphone is been a little funky right now. Okay. Nice. And this is upside down. All right, buddies. Yep. Oh, yes, you're back. I said, oh, you're back. That's about a half hour market open. Hopefully it sounds better, by the way. I put it directly into one of the ports. Thinking that might help some. Or have to work out the rest of this shit now. But all right. Still waiting. Damn. Well, ping hasn't gone up yet. Touch. Give it time. It's about to pop. All right. Houston, we have some here. E88. What's up, E88? Thank you all for telling me no sound. Someone wanted me to look at something. What was the symbol? Toyota. Let me look. How fuck. All right. Someone tell me, please, when SPX gets super close or touches its 30-second blue line, okay? Will someone please let me know, because I'm going to check out Toyota. I love Toyotas. I'm not saying it's a good stock. I just, the keyboard's unplugged now. Motherfucker. See why I have to give up on to get the other stupid ass limitations. All right, let me see. So, I guess this shove into here. There we go. There. We'll get stuff worked out. Jeez, so pizza. They would have moved up. I'm assuming that's not. I'm going to look at it. 30s hit on SPX. Oh, shit. Well, okay. 30-second hit on SPX says what he talks. Thank you, Richard. Well, there goes. We're good. As my system called out, there's so many we can't really see them all. I have this system trade tracker. Everyone here at my signal service has this. You can see if these are all accurate, and if they're all closed, don't trade green. That means my system called it out correctly. And there's open trades on Toyota. So yes, it's called it out correctly. Let me go ahead and remove all this now. Toyota's getting fucking slammed. 1 hour, 4 hour. Let's go up there. See what's going on, Toyota. All right, 1 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour. Nope, already did it. 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 7 hour, 9, 10 hour. Holy fucking shit. Boy, Toyota's a little bit messy, isn't it? Fuck the lower time frames. Let's see about this higher. Oh, I see. There looks more familiar. Oh, it's a gorgeous 3-week monthly. Hold on, I gotta send this to someone. Thank you, Persistent. Thank you, Richard. 30-second hit on SPX as called out. and literally drawn out by system. Learn how to trade for yourselves. All right, here we go, peeps. Toyota is a complete sell-off, crazy shit, but it is a beautiful 3-week weekly. I'm sorry, 3-week monthly buy stop. This is your call for this particular. Follow it down. Get in yet. First take profit. 183, 190. But Toyota's going for sure back to 200. Love the 200. Matter of fact, I'm going to go get me some option on this. Toyota's in a complete sell-off. Crazy shit. All right, there we go. Just have to help it out. Toyota is fantastic buy. Fantastic buy. Morning, Erica. So this is a one. You got to let this thing fart around and do itself, right? How low can it go? Sell stop daily. Take profit 171. Take profit to 160. Okay, now that's not what I would do with Toyota. This is gorgeous. There's no fucking way. Yeah, it needs to come a little lower, like I said, 160. For me, let's see what this one is. 160. Yeah. Anyway, this is where my take profits are officially for Toyota. This is a buy. This is a 3-week monthly buy Toyota. Take profit 183. Take profit 2, 190. Take profit 3, 200. I love Toyota's take profit 3. Then it will go to 232 and then past 250. And that is Toyota. Thank you for bringing that one up. Look at that.
Trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
To add Toyota. Yeah, I want to watch that one. That's a good one, but I love that one. Everyone understand about Toyota? What's up, D-Man? Good morning, D-Man. All right, we have about 26 minutes, 25 minutes. The market open. I'll trade market open if there's moves to make. None of you need to trade market open. Only trade demo. Always lock in profits and just watch and learn how I trade it. That's all. 60 people. That's nice. Ken, I haven't forgotten about it. Ken, I got the flu and I'm feeling shit, but I'll do my best to call you. I don't know. Maybe by the end of the week, or I apologize. Yeah. It's amazing how I recovered. And man, this flu this year, I prayed, I blessings on God for each and every one of you who loves. No one gets this flu. If it could throw me for a loop, well, good luck. All right. Anyone else have any other talk or any symbol you want me to check? We're going to head back over to SPX land. We're going to go over to 32nd. Okay, the ricochet too, didn't it? Nope, it finally hit it though. Buy stop, the 30-second blue line, SPX. Now, careful playing these. If you play these, and when it flips over to the cells, which it will flip over to the cell, you don't want to get caught with your pants down. I've already called the cells for SPX, NAS, US 30. We've been playing NAS and SPX from 10-second to 30-second blue line this entire session. I mean, how do people not get their minds blown and buy the system when they see me do what I do? And there's still people like Jose that decide to be douches about things. It's so weird. Yeah, baby. Any other symbols you want me to call? Love Toyota on the long term. It's a short term sell, but it's a long term I'd love to buy.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Techman. Good morning, Ryan Marcus. Thank you, Tech. I am feeling much, much better. I know the cough sounds like no. The cough was so bad. It was just horrid. It's much, much better. In fact, I slept for 5 hours last night with that one cough, and it was a miracle. There we go. CHF JPY is a currency forex pair. Forex is a $7.2 trillion a day biz. T with trillion. If you didn't know, they use your money against you from BlackRock, Vanguard, and in your own bank. You deposit money in with your deposits. They take your money out of those. Your money isn't in that bank. They even close a tenth of the money in there at best. So they take your money, they come over to Forex, and they trade against you. So I made a system that trades them, and my system's AI is called Keith Bummer, the great Keith Bummer, and he's the one who codes all this great stuff you see right here for me. And my system is smarter than their system. How do I know? Because this is my trade tracker that Keith made for us. Look, every demo trade made money. It's green. Every open trade made money. See? Let's go over here and see what this means. Oh, it's going to at least 1 minute. That's buy, stop, CHF, JPY to this blue line. You can clearly see the pink across the blue. This is a go option. I already did it once, twice. These are ricochets. We can sit here for a while if you want, but there's no need. Let's go up to the 30 minutes, see what's going on. This is just doing this. This is all this is doing. It came down, ricocheted up. It's going to hook and come back down into this. These things will fill and down to the yellow. This will come down. And this is called a 30-minute pulse. You'll see this arrow come to later today. So what does that mean? Take profit 1, CHF JPY 169.373. Take profit 2, 169.063. Now I wouldn't take necessarily the shorter medium trades of those. I would go up here to look and say, hey, what's this about? This is a safety trade 4. Yeah, this is a buy stop. Take profit 1, 169.821. Take profit 2, 170.253. Take profit 3, 170.686. Take profit 4, 171.31. Hey, Kev, you're my fuck. I can't help it. Are you fucking kidding me? How could it be choppy? It's literally plugged into the first primary port now. Whatever. What was it? A microphone? I think it's just flaring out. I don't know if it needs an update or something. Sorry. I bought more. Oh, so that doesn't sound as good for E doubles 88. Head over to TikTok. TikTok always seems to have better sound. Oh, I can tell you. Okay. About 18 minutes to market open. I'm going to have to go right away. Thank you for speaking up, E-Dubs. What's up, Little Joe, Yolanda, and D-Man? Oxy. Yeah, I think he called that before. I'm sorry. Well, I tell you guys that over to TikTok. You go over to TikTok. Now, Oxy I've called before, and it is a beautiful long-term buy. Let's see what it looks like. Yep, system called it out. accurately. Sell, 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 sell. Sell to the 15-minute blue line. Take profit 1, 48.57 to 2, 48.36, 48.13. I wouldn't play the sell per se because it's an overall upward movement. Oh yeah, buy stop to the blue line, 1 hour, Oxy. I love this trade on a much higher level, so that's why I'm looking at 48.866 and the 49.63. Take profit on a 1 hour buys. Love this trade. This is a 6-month, 12-month buy stop. Oxy. Take profit 1, $55. I love take profit 2, $70. $95. This is a 6-month, 12-month buy, $111.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Austin. And Richard. Shoe Flacco. The sound is good. Yeah, I keep telling you, got to head over to fucking TikTok. No one listens. Whatever. I can only do so much. Which must mean it's the auditory restream is what I'm thinking. Hold on. Testing. 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 Give it about 20 seconds and tell me if the audio is any better on YouTube. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Filio. If not, head over to TikTok. I can't do anything else for you. That's all I got. You're welcome, Sally. We got about 14 minutes to market open. And then I'm going to have to leave right after market open. There isn't a choice. I'll be a leaving. ... And then I will not be on later. I've already been on once. This will be my second time. And then, Lord willing, I'll see you in the morning tomorrow. Whatever you did worked. Oh, thanks, Richard. Already working better. Oh, nice. Better, Erica says. Oh, good. Well, I don't know. TikTok also is faster, so there's less of a delay. All right, let's get back to our usuals. Let's see how SPX is doing. 30-second, there was a ricochet buy. It did it. Buy stop 30-second to the blue line SPX, ricochet. NAS. Buy, it did a ricochet also. It's going to do it again. You'll see this pink cross the blue. This will turn eventually back to green. You'll see this go past the orange. You'll see this go past the other. You'll see this go past here. Then you'll see price action go above here, and then it will go above there. Just be careful around open, I'm telling you. Because you start seeing this shit around open it's going to be a sell day, so be very careful. I haven't looked at NQ, I haven't looked at the E-minis, and I haven't looked at US 30, well, much. About 12 minutes to market open. What's up, Cristobal Armas? Thank you for the feedback, Richard. And Sally and Erica and Persistent. Now, see, if we stay here for 15 minutes, I'm going to fall asleep. Oh, let me check NQ1. Hold on. Oh, look at there. This is what I want to see now. Hold on. This was very interesting to me. Ho, ho, ho. Because this was lagging just a little bit on the 5, 10, I don't know which one it was, but these were lagging. Hold on. Let me go over here. Let me go. I think it was the 15th second. So this is NAS on the right. When did it pass its 15th second? No, it was right there. It was not exact. So this isn't the right time frame then. All right, let me see what it was doing on the 32nd. There you go. So what was this? Nope. All right, only other option was a 10-second, or I must have had a different chart up and I was misreading it, which is more than possible. All right, now let's see. No. Damn, it's so exact. They're just fucking exact. I could have swore they were off. Damn. Nope, even had the same buy. Yeah, I don't want to hear no more shit. NQ1 and NAS are the exact same thing, I swear. All right, market open's about to happen in 10 minutes. None of you are, well, there's probably Larry and a few of you. So there's a few of you qualified to trade market open. We've already made money from the 10-second, 15-second, 30-second NAS and SPX all morning long. And yeah. Yeah. And that's what I think you're going to see. So let's take a look at deeper down here. I'm going to move this over to SPX. I'm going to move this over to NAS. So we'll leave that. That's fine. All right. Oh, a little dippy do. Now be careful because these are sell stops to like the 7-hour and 9-hour today. So you're seeing the complete opposite of what we're used to doing. We're used to seeing it price action go down in the morning and then hook and go up later. What it's going to do today is it's going up and it's going to hook and come down. But if you don't want to play around with any of those time frames, then by all means, stay up here on this beautiful daily, weekly buy stops, and you can't go wrong. But a lot of you are just too impatient to actually trade. You want to trade every second of every day. I don't understand it, but whatever works for you. All right, we're about to go through market open. I guess I should check US 30. Let's see. Okay. So what do we have here? 30 seconds. Careful with this. It is a 30-second buy stop US 30 to the blue line. Or you can look right here. Yeah, this is what we did earlier. Just arching up, coming back down again. Sell stop to the 9-hour blue line US 30. That's the trade I would take if you're trying to trade today. 41,076. 40,946 and 40,626. But I would never take a sell on US 30A or get your ass handed to you. This is 100% a daily, weekly buy. I would zoom in right here, and this is what I would play, only play this time frame. Take profit one, 42,114, 42,491. I love this one, 43,565, 44,587. If you think this is bleeding red, some Yahoo in our Discord said that. I was like, what are you talking about, bleeding red? Because it went down for a few days. No. To be clear, all three indices need to fall massively more. US 30 needs to go down to 38,000. I would prefer it to go down to 34,000. And we're nowhere near those numbers. Am I clear? NAS isn't bleeding anything. NAS needs to go down to 17,500. It's not even close. I prefer it to go down to 13,000. Hope I'm clear on that. SPX, nowhere near where it needs to go. 5,000 is where it needs to go. And then I'd prefer 4,000. And that's that. Now let's go back to these hyper time frames. I don't know what I'm going to play today. Let me see now. I don't know if I'm even going to trade open. We'll see. I know I'm not doing anything to do with US 30, though. I'm going to stick with NAS and SPX. We have basically 5 minutes to market open. Things get fast, things get furious. I move in and out really quick if I do trade. I'm just not feeling anything right now, to be honest with you. I don't see it. I'm tired. If I see something change up here in the last 4 minutes, I'll make a call for you. Yeah, I'm going to take a nap today, I think. Where's Jose at now? Oh, Jose isn't learning the system because he was a negative Nelly. Hmm. One minute buy stop SPX. 1 minute buy stop SPX. $5,523 take profit. 5,525 take profit. 5,527 take profit. Not calling NAS or US 30 at the moment. I wish I'd have looked at gold for you. Well, I mean, I did earlier, but my one gold trade, psychotically good. My one gold trade. Well, my only trade I have open, I should say. 460 pips. Dollars an ounce, sorry. 460 ounces. Oh my God. You know what I'm trying to say? I'm so tired. So yeah, I think I did okay with my gold trade. $400 an ounce. Nuts. Traders will give their left nut and right nut for that. Let me see that sell for NAS. I hate to go way up here. It's going to take forever. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, what do you want me to do? Sell stop, 10-hour, 12-hour sell stop to the 12-hour blue line NAS, but I don't know. I'm not going to call it. I mean, I'm calling it. I'm not going to trade it. Let me put it that way for you. Oh, thank God. Market open in less than 3 minutes. Lock in profits. Demo trade only. You got to move in and out real quick. So if I see it move against the grain of where it should be going, I'll let you all know. If you want to play a sell, which I don't recommend, do NAS. If you want to play a buy, and which I don't recommend either, but it is what it is, do SPX. Oh, that 1 minute buy is so good, though. It's a beautiful 5 minute sell. Take profit 1. Here, I'll just tag him for us. 18,959. Take profit 2. All right. Don't forget, market open in less than a minute. This is how I'm looking at the charts at the moment. I don't know. I'm going to play it as it fires off. I'll play it for you. And there you go. Okay. Demo trade only, lock in profit. Let's see this bad boy. I say NAS goes down, and if not now, definitely by 10:30 this morning. That's when it's going to kick in. They always do it off the 4-hour candles. Okay, here comes market open. SPX take profit 1 is in the money. Right here. You can close your trade down. Yep, there it is. There it is. There it is. Take profit 1 was hit. Close down your SPX trade. Close down your SPX trade. Nice. Okay. Let me see. I'm going to go down to a smaller time frame, see if anything. Yeah, nothing to call down here in NAS. Well, kind of fizzly, but we got some money out of SPX. Cool. All right, TikTokers, got to go. God bless. Talk to you tomorrow morning. Everyone have a great, wonderful day. God bless. All right, YouTubers. YouTubers. Da, 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 da. Thank you all for being here on YouTube. I'd still look for that buy to kick in even further on SPX. All right. God bless you all. Good luck. Talk to y'all later.